No, if the Jharkhandis attack the Goa police, it shows the level, the depth at which the police force has reached. You see, if outsiders come here and attack our own policemen, it means no one cares for Goa, man, whether it's police or whether it's government. Even why only police? Have you not seen these outside tourists coming and attacking our people everywhere? Regularly you see it. That is the unfortunate part in our own homeland. We have become powerless now. That is why need is to elect people who will put Goa above everything. We need good persons. Because I see all these politicians who are there, they are all there for their personal gains. Everybody wants to be a leader to earn wealth. You look at all the political leaders in Goa who are of my age. I know each and every one of them. When they entered politics, they were ordinary folks, depending on their salaries or a few hundred rupees they would earn. Now you look at each of them. Each one of them is a billionaire now. Each of them. So how did they become billionaires after entering politics? We all know that's happening. We all know.